Add in the rest of the videos, 5, 6, and 7. Put in 5, put in 6, raise 6 up and down, and then move it over, and then move it over, and then 7. Put 7 in there. Make sure 7's at the top, and then we'll bring 7 down and bring it over to the left. Get the cutter, and here's a trick to cut all the way down through everything. Instead of just cutting one, press Shift, and it will cut all the way through. So Shift, cut, Shift, cut, Shift, cut, cut, cut. Just hold on to that Shift and keep cutting all the way through. Then get your Move tool. We'll delete that because we already know what's going to be there. We'll delete everything up here because we already know that there's going to be something right here. We'll delete this because of something here. We'll delete these. We'll delete these. We'll delete these. Oops, I forgot to cut this one. Shift cut, and then delete these over here. Click and drag to select all the audio that you see that needs to be unlinked. Click on unlink, and then select that audio again. You can press the Shift key to select more than one, then press delete. All right, let's go to the top up here, and the first layer is dark, so we'll delete it. This layer has some film, so click underneath that and click and delete that layer. Let's go to these. Let's click on this one, delete that, and then delete this one, and then delete this one. Oh, I forgot to delete those. Okay, let's go here, delete this one. There's something there, so let's delete this one. Now there's going to be a bunch here we're going to have to cut. This one's going to be a pain. Let's go here, let's delete this one, there's one there. Let's go here, let's delete this one, there's one there. Let's go here, let's delete this one, there we go, right there. So in here, we need to do like we did at the beginning. There's nothing here up until we get to this point. So let's cut that right at the beginning. Get the cut tool, Shift click. Come over here, get the Move tool, delete this one. This one stays, delete this one. Let's keep going. Let's go to the end of this scene right here, and we'll cut it, get the crop tool, cut it, Shift cut, get the Move tool, delete this one, and delete this one. Let's keep going. All right, we don't see anybody here, so let's delete this one. All right, we see this guy right here, so we'll come over here and we'll cut right there. Shift cut, delete down here, and we'll delete. Let's come over here, and we have one right here. Let's go over, it's right there, and Shift cut. I'll leave that one there. Let's delete this one. Let's delete this one. All right, we've got this all cut up and ready to go now. Command S to save. Let's zoom out. Look at that. The lesson will continue in the next video.